Hey there, ceramic makers. Are you tired of inconsistent quartz grinding that slows down your production? We've got the solution you've been waiting for. Introducing the game-changing Quartz Pulverizer, designed specifically for ceramic manufacturing. This isn't just another grinder. It's a precision-engineered machine that transforms raw quartz into the perfect ceramic-grade powder. Say goodbye to uneven particle sizes that ruin your glaze quality. Our pulverizer delivers consistent, ultra-fine powder every single time. Imagine boosting your production speed by up to 40%. That's what happens when your quartz preparation becomes efficient and reliable. The secret? Advanced grinding technology that maintains optimal temperature control. No more overheating that damages quartz properties. You'll notice the difference immediately in your final products. Smoother finishes, vibrant glazes, and stronger ceramic pieces. Plus, it's incredibly user-friendly. Simple controls, easy maintenance, and built to last through years of heavy use. Whether you're making tiles, tableware, or artistic pottery, this pulverizer adapts to your specific needs. Don't let outdated grinding methods hold back your creativity. Upgrade to precision and watch your ceramics reach new heights. Join hundreds of satisfied ceramic studios and factories who've already transformed their workflow. Ready to revolutionize your ceramic manufacturing? The future of quartz processing is here.